Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong article published sa Daily Tribune. Title, Kalinga Tribe Protests Scapegoating Over Bantag Arrest Failure. Local residents and netizens are pushing back at top government officials following claims that fugitive former Bureau of Corrections Director Gerald Bantag is being shielded by tribes in Kalinga. Ed Kumafay, a vocal Kalinga resident, issued a blistering statement on social media directed at Interior Secretary Junbic Rimulya and Bucor Chief Gregorio Katapang Jr., accusing them of using the province as a scapegoat for their failure to apprehend the high-profile fugitive. Kumapay criticized the officials for what he described as pure ignorance, ignoramos, regarding the cultural geography of the Cordillera Administrative Region. He pointed out that Bantag does not belong to any Kalinga tribe, nor is his ancestral domain located within the province. Sabi niya, first of all, Bantag's tribe is not from Kalinga. Rimulya and Katapang are just flaunting their ignorance. Kaya ito. They don't seem to know that there are many tribes in the Cordillera, each with its own distinct ancestral domain. Kumapay added, he suggested that the officials should utilize their intelligence funds for actual research rather than making unfounded claims. The controversy stems from statements suggesting that a violent confrontation might occur if authorities attempt to arrest Bantag in Kalinga due to tribal protection. Kumapay argued that this narrative paints a dangerous and unfair picture of the Kalinga people. They want to make it appear that people in Kalinga are violent, Kumapay said. They should realize that these statements damage our image. Tourists and investors might become afraid to come here because of these lies. Other members of the Kalinga sub-tribe echoed Kumapay's statement, taking to social media to demand respect from the Department of Interior and Local Government and Bucor. A joint statement from concerned citizens in the province urged Secretary Rimulya and General Katapang to refrain from publishing damaging statements that put the citizenry in danger. The group emphasized that Bantag is not a member of any subtribe of Kalinga. The published statements blemish the Kalinga people to the fullest level. Please respect us, they said. Okay. So, agree ako dito. Kulang sa kaalaman itong mga opisyalis sa gobyerno, specifically yung Secretary Junbic. Kasi nabasa ko yung post 3 or 4 days ago na Bantag is being protected by the Kalinga tribal people. Humiling na lang ako kasi alam ko hindi member ng Kalinga tribe si DG Bantag. Bago siya nabigyan ng warrant of arrest, na-interview ko siya sa Baguio, I think kailan ba yun? December of 2022. At napagalaman ko ang kanyang tribo mixture of Ifugao and Benguet. Ang kanyang lolo is a World War II veteran, Corporal Bantag, yung lolo niya, sharpshooter eh. Oh. So yun, yung kanyang Igorot tribe is, yung lineage niya is from Ifugao and Benguet. And there are, if I'm not mistaken, there are 7 or 8 Igorot tribes in the Cordillera region. So yung Kalinga, isa lang yun sa main tribe. May mga sub-tribes pa. Bakit sasabihin ni na Secretary Rimulya and General Katapang na protected ng Kalinga tribe si DG Bantag kung hindi naman siya member sa tribe na yun? So most likely kung nagtatago si General Bantag, nandyan siya sa kanyang tribo. Agree ako. Kasi kung minsan may mga hindi rin pagkakaintindihan itong mga iba't ibang tribo ng Cordillera. Kaya nga nagkakaroon sila ng hindi pagkakaunawaan kung minsan. Noong una nagkakaroon ng tribal war, but today parang wala na. Kaya malaking epekto ito sa imahe ng Kalinga tribe, kasi para bang kinokondon nila ang isang fugitive. Tapos hindi ako maniwala yung sinasabi ng gobyerno na alam nila kung nasaan si Bantag. Hindi lang sila basta-basta papasok na aristuhin kasi daw baka magkakaroon ng malaking kaguluhan. That's nonsense. Ano lang yun, palusot lang yun. Actually, hindi nila alam kung nasaan. Marunong si DG Bantag. Umiikot yan, hindi siya permanente sa isang lugar. And by the way, ang kanyang mother is an Ilocana, I think, from Pangasinan. Kaya marami siyang lineage. So pwedeng nasa Cordillera siya, pwedeng nasa Pangasinan. Kasi marami siyang supporters. Kahit noon ngang kainitan yung kanyang warrant of arrest. Sa may mga nabasa ko, itatago namin si DG Bantag, hindi nyo mahuli. Saan namin itatago? Binang mga supporters, itatago namin sa aming mga puso. Patay sila ngayon. So, good luck sa gobyerno sa paghahanap kay DG Bantag. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong